yung basura ng Canada. I want a boat prepared. I'll give a warning to Canada maybe next week that they better pull that thing out or I will set sail doon sa Canada. Ibuhos ko yung basura nila doon. I cannot understand why they are making us a dump site. And that is not the only case in point. Papasunod-sunod yan na pinapadala yung basura sa atin. Well, not at this time. Magkaaway kami na diyan, no? Wayin natin ang Canada. Will declare war against them. Kaya man natin yan sila. Sa uli ko talaga. Tingnan mo. Ikarga mo yan doon sa barko. Load it, the containers to a ship and advise Canada. I will advise Canada that your garbage is on the way. Prepare a grand reception. Eat it if you want to. Buang itong ginakaya-kaya tayo. Hindi ako papayag ng gano'n. Lalo na yung nagbili tayo ng chopper sa kanila. They agreed to sell, but pahabol nila ang conditionalities nila, ma'am, na hindi daw natin magamit against our own citizens. Kulok-kulok ko pala kayo. My own citizens are cutting the neck of my soldiers and policemen. My own citizens are declaring war to oust everybody. Tayo, wala ng trabaho. Payag ka dyan, ma'am. Budget, payag ka. Hindi. Hindi, yung pera natin, prepare mo lang kayo. Hindi ako papayag na gano'n. Next week, itong customs na to. The next time they do it, I will sack them, all of them. Hindi kay Jagger yan. Noon, matagal na yan. Kaya sabihin ko, Jagger, send them back or do not allow them to drop anchor here. You just sweep them by, go back to where you came from. I will not allow that kind of shit at ating bayan. Sumusobra itong mga they extend yung educational grants, but on condition that we will accept their shit and their garbage. Kaya pa yan. Kaya ikarga natin uli yan, pabalik sa kanila. We go prepare your and celebrate because your garbage is coming home. Yung iba mga limang truck, buhos mo dyan sa Canadian Embassy. Totoo, ma'am. Pabutin mo na gano'n. Supladuhan lang itong mundo na ito kung sino lang ang pakaya. Well, not me. So, I'd like to thank you again. I'd also the government of Pampanga and the seal that they have shown us, despite the fact that it's hard to come. Maraming salamat sa inyo.